if we are dehydrated, does that inhibit the absorption of nutrients?
So, when we're dehydrated, that can impact the viscosity of the mucus layer in our gastrointestinal tracts. That can have impacts on our gut microbiomes. That can certainly cause changes in transit time, which is like how quickly stuff's moving through the gastrointestinal tract. And certainly that, could hypothetically, because the mucus layer is something that nutrients are, like, diffusing through before they get to the cells that are transporting them through. Yes, I would think that nutrient absorption could potentially be somewhat decreased by, dehydration. How big of an effect that is, I don't know. Certainly, like, the chronic dehydration that most people are, right, just not quite drinking enough. I mean, that is the sample population that most of the studies are done in. That's not gonna be something to worry about. Severe dehydration, like you've just been really, really ill, yeah, there might be an effect. Is that relevant to, like, day-to-day choices? If you're that dehydrated that it's causing those changes to digestion and the mucus barrier in the gut, um, that's a level of dehydration to fix, right? That is like a concern. So that is like you're going to want to work on hydration. You're going to have some electrolytes to because when you're that dehydrated, that can cause all kinds of electrolyte imbalances. So I think when I think about this question, we're talking about one of two things. We're talking about a level of dehydration that's not functional. That's just like someone didn't get their, you know, 2 to 3 liters of fluid in the day, like, but they're still getting lots of liquid, or it's like severe dehydration, in which case, like, that should be something that's like medical intervention. So, it's either moot and we're overthinking things, or there's other problems. It's not just like nutrient absorption. We want to fix the dehydration and make sure the kidneys are happy and make sure electrolytes are balanced. And then once we fix the dehydration, everything else should also be good.